Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 5th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw stocks pulling back slightly today, and I do mean slightly. The Dow finished lower by just 22 points, while the S&P 500 was down 3 points. The Nasdaq pulled back about 10, and the Russell was lower by about 9. So, bit of a pullback here. Not enough to really change the technical picture or outlook. Everything remains the same. Bonds pulling back as well today, down about 78 cents, while gold was up about 2.5 points at the close, and has been pulling back slightly since. And crude was down about 26 cents at the close. Now, a couple of interesting stocks today. Apple early this morning got downgraded, which is rare for Apple, certainly, and did pull back a little today, finished lower by about $1.50 or so, but did unveil a number of new products and made a few announcements. So aside from the downgrade, they unveiled their new HomePod. Basically, it's their product to compete with Amazon's home product. They launched their peer-to-peer payment system to compete with Square and PayPal, and they unveiled their most powerful Mac yet. Stay tuned for that. Watch OS 4 and iOS 11 is coming very soon as well. So a number of announcements from Apple today. Hung in there pretty good considering the downgrade. I'm not concerned about this at all. I think all this does is create more opportunity, really. This has very strong momentum across all time frames here and looks quite good. Another one that is looking great is Google. Google did top that $1,000 mark today, hitting a high of $1,007.40. Where's this going next? I mean, no question. I think this is going higher. You have nice, strong momentum across the board. We're at all-time highs, no resistance up ahead. The only question is how high. Let's use the daily time frame, take our fib extension tool. Let's zoom in here and just use the most recent low and high here. And you'll see that this does certainly have room to move. Excuse me. Here are the upside targets that I see. Obviously, the next would be 1,000 and we'll call it 1015 here, the 1272 extension. Then we're talking about 1035. Get up to almost 1100. I think we can call 1100 as a nice round number, pretty safe. And then about 1200 or so near term. Obviously, if we were to use our fib extension tool on the higher time frames, the targets would be much higher. But let's take it one step at a time. I think we actually could see a $1,200 print on Google near term, which even, for Google standards, I mean, that's a stretch, a 20% move there. But they are doing very, very well, as is Apple. Don't count Apple out regardless of that downgrade. I think they'll be just fine. All right, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.